Have you ever thought of treating your body aches and pains with acupuncture but you're afraid of being punctured with needles? Well, fear no more and try this electronic laser acupuncture pen instead. Unlike any other painkillers and other drugs used to treat chronic pain, the electronic acupuncture pen has no side effects. And if you're someone who is always experiencing migraine, sports and muscle injuries, joint and back pains, be it any acute and chronic physical pain, I advise you to buy this electronic acupuncture pen. I'm someone who started working out a couple of weeks ago and I experienced a lot of muscle pain since it was my first time and I never wanted to take any kind of drug or painkiller. So I decided to buy some local medicine and took it. Nothing changed and I was still experiencing a lot of pain. So I went to a medical doctor and she used this electronic acupuncture pen and I was really doubting how this thing can work. But trust me, I felt muscle pain relief in seconds. According to traditional Chinese medicine theory, this pen converts the biophysical factors to the human beneficial bioelectricity, which penetrates the human epidermal tissue and performs physiotherapy, dredging the meridians, activating tissues, firm sagging and aging skin, and promoting healthy blood circulation. The electronic acupuncture pen is based on the low resistance and high vibration sound of meridians by using the detective technology to intelligently find the acupuncture points of the human body. Great thing I love about this is that it's needleless acupuncture, so there is no skin piercing. You just need to press the pen to the affected areas and it will release an electric pulse to stimulate the meridians and acupuncture points in your body for healing and pain relief. And if you are someone who can't afford physical therapy, great news for you as I've put up the link for this instrument in the description below and it's already 40% discounted. So you can save us some cash by checking the description box right below. Now that's it in today's video, and if you're someone who is interested in videos about online shopping deals and solutions, coupon codes, gift cards and freebies, start now by clicking the subscription button so that you don't miss out any info. Also, if you have any question, you can leave down a comment below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you think it was informative. And with that said, till next time, bye. Thanks for the support.